And we're back here. Going to go to the next part of our math lesson. So if you have not downloaded it yet, we are going to be working on page 373. So just in Schoology there, get page 373 and send it off to Notability. And I'll pause here. And this is all about making change. So at the very top, I'm going to read this, just kind of the orange title here, Count On to Make Change. Imagine you are working at a sandwich shop, like Subway. A customer pays for a sandwich that costs $4.28 with a $5 bill. Your cash register is broken and you don't have a pencil. How can you figure out how much change to give the customer? Well, start with $4.28 and count on until you get to $5. Now you're going to see on your page here, it kind of teaches you one way to do it. It's almost like using a number line. So if you start with $4.28, well, you add on 1 penny. I'm going to change colors here. You add on 1 penny, that's going to bring you up to $4.29. Then you add another penny, that's going to bring you up to $4.30. And the reason why they have you do that is so then you get to like an even 10 number. So then you can then just add on 10 more, gets you to $4.40, another 10, $4.50. Then you add, then it jumps from $4.50 up to $4.75. You can think, okay, well, how much money is that? Oh, that's a quarter. And if you're at $4.75, you can add another quarter to get up to $5. Then you just have to go back through and count how much money you have. We have $25.50. $25.50. Add another 10. Counting by tens then. 50 add 10, that would be 60. I'm going to add another 10. 60, 70. Then I add on 1 penny, that would be 71. Then add another penny, 72. Then right here it says add the coins to find the total amount of change, $72 or 72 cents. It'd be kind of almost like doing it like this, like with a true number line. So if I had $4.28, I can think about it like 428, trying to get up to 500. I can imagine though that those decimal points are there, but I don't need them. I can just think about it like 428 up to 500. So you could do it that same way they did there, or you could do it like this. You could just change it to like 10. I'm going to do a 10 jump. So 428 would become 400. Just the 10 spot is the only spot that's going to be changing. Okay, so that's going to become 438. Then I'm going to do another 10 jump. 438 will become 448. I could do another 10 jump. That would become 458. And then I'm going to do another 10 jump. That'll become 468. I'm going to run out of space here. Oh, no, it's not going to let me do that jump. So I'm just going to erase this here quick. 468 will turn, I'm going to do another jump, 478. Just going to do another number line down here. 478. Do another 10 jump, that become 488. Do another 10 jump, become 498. And I've just got to get to 500. So 498, just 499, 499, 500. So just 2 more. Then I just got to go count. You can count with me. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 72. So the same answer, 72 cents. Or I could do it in different kinds of jumps too, kind of like how they did. Or I could do even like, bigger jumps. 428, need to get to 500. I could do it in like a jump of 20. That would be 400. I'm just only changing the tens again. Be 400, 48. I could do another jump of 20. just doing the tens again, adding up 20, 468. Do another 20, be 488. I can't do another jump of 20, but I know I could do like a jump of 10, be 498, and then just two more, so I can count that, 20, 40, 60, 70, 72. Or another strategy is, and this is the way usually if you are going to figure out how much change you have. So if I have $5 and my sandwich costs $4.28, I'm just going to turn it into a subtraction problem. Biggest thing is you just need to make sure those decimal points are lined up, because that separates the change, like the cents, and then the dollars. I can just do regular subtraction. Well, you're thinking, well, I can't do 0 minus 8. I'm just going to go to the neighbor here. Well, I can't borrow or trade from a 0, so I got to go way over to the 5. That 5, I'm going to change colors though. That 5 will change into 4. Basically, like, instead of 500s, I'll have 400s, and I'll bring it over to the 10. The tens, and I'll have 10 tens. But I still have to make that 0 large. I need 10 ones there. I need to make that bigger. So I again have to trade with my 10 tens, and I'll have 9 tens. And my 0 will turn into, 10 ones. So 10 minus 8 is 2. And then I do 9 minus 2 is 7. Cool. 72 cents. So that all works the same. So there's just different ways to do it. And that's what you were going to do here to try to figure. That's what you're going to get to do for these 3 problems. Now I'm going to read all of these problems, and then I'll stop and we'll come back. So practice making change. Find the amount of change by counting on to the amount paid. So draw the counts you counted. You can do that if you want to. I want you to do the strategy that's going to be best for you. If you want to do that, if you want to do like what they kind of did above, that's totally fine. So like if you start at $1.39, and it says here he pays with 2 $1 bills. Oh, well then it goes up to $2. So you can count, like you can add the coins that you need to get up to $2. Or, so like if I would add on 1 penny. So that would be then, I could add on 1 penny and then give me up to $1.40. Then I could add some bigger ones, like a dime, and that would be $1.50. And I could do it that way. Or you might want to do it like a number line. Okay, I start at 139 really, try to get to 200, and you can make whatever kind of jumps. Or I could do $2 minus $1.39 to do that. You can do whatever strategy that's going to be best for you. But let's read this problem. Fernando paid $1.39 for a bottle of juice. He paid with 2 $1 bills. How much change should he get? So it's not just $1, it's 2 $1 bills. Okay? Number 2, at a book sale, Anna bought a book for $4.53. She paid with a $5 bill. How much change should she get? And then number 3, Valerie bought a nutrition bar for $2.12. She paid with 3 $1 bills. So really just thinking about that. 3 $1 bills would be $3. Give it a hint just to help. How much change should she get? So really I want you to do whatever strategy is best for you. So I'm going to stop the video here and we'll come back and check on answers.